Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you prepare to embark on the journey of a lifetime, let us introduce our luxury wedding essentials that are designed to capture the essence of your special day. Presenting a timeless keepsake for the sacred occasion of Nikah, a beautifully crafted Nikah Nama encased in rich red velvet. With elegant designs and intricate details, it's a treasured keepsake for years to come. Create lasting memories with our Nikah Nama that beautifully encapsulates the sanctity of your union. Sign your love story with elegance and sophistication. Our Nikah Pen is a memorable token of the Nikah ceremony that you can cherish forever. Celebrate the sacred tradition of meher with grace and love using our meher box. This elegant box beautifully blends sophistication with cultural heritage. Crafted with exquisite detail and premium quality, it's the perfect keepsake to honor this cherished Islamic custom. Gaze into the eyes of your beloved with our stunning Nikah mirror, a beautifully crafted piece that adds a touch of luxury to your special day. Reflecting love, faith, and unity, this elegant mirror serves as a timeless keepsake that captures the beauty of your Nikah ceremony. Celebrate the union of two hearts with this elegant thumbprint frame. Designed to capture the couple's unique thumbprints, this frame symbolizes unity, love, and togetherness. Make your wedding day truly unforgettable with our luxury wedding essentials. Order now and create memories that will last a lifetime. Contact us to learn more. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to tap on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos.